Today we will crochet rings or beaded ring edging. You can make it with rings or without ring. If you use ring, it will look more beautiful and perfect. If you don't have these rings, you can use any type of ring. Still you don't find any, then just leave it. You can skip this ring and still you can make it without ring. So I'm going to teach with two methods, one with rings and one without rings. For that you need silk thread, 1 mm steel crochet hook and pearls, or you may use seed beads. I am using seed beads. Let's start. Step 1. Attach the thread to the fabric and make first row of single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet all around the fabric. If you don't know how to make this, you can always refer my video how to crochet on fabric. And if you don't know how to string small bead or pearl into the thread, you can refer my video how to string small beads. Let's start. First I am making it with ring, and after that we will learn how to make without ring. Where you have ended, start from here, go to the first chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet. After making single crochet, you have to make 1 Solomon knot. If you don't know how to make Solomon knot, you can refer my video. It's simply just elongated single crochet. Just pull the thread from the single crochet and wrap it around your thumb and make 1 more single crochet around it. It is called Solomon knot. You can learn this. It is very simple. Just refer my video, previous video, how to make Solomon knot, and you can make it easily. After making Solomon knot, just wrap around twice and make treble crochet. After leaving 2 chain 3 spaces, go to the third chain 3 space and make 1 elongated treble crochet. You have to just pull and just make like this. One more time. Solomon knot. After Solomon knot, wrap around twice, go to the third chain 3 space and make elongated treble crochet. You have to just pull and just make like that. After doing this step, you have to attach the ring. If you are making it with ring, just keep ring like that. Go inside the ring. This is the way we attach ring. Or you can just simply make single crochet into this ring, whichever technique you like this. Now slip 1 bead If you are using ring, after slipping bead, just make 1 chain. Then go inside the ring and make 1 single crochet. Like this. And don't leave gap in the ring, so just pull it little bit. Now slip 1 more bead. Basically you have to repeat this technique all around the ring. Slip one bead, chain one, go inside the ring and make one single crochet. Slip one bead, chain one, go into the ring, make one single crochet. Repeat this technique and just complete this ring and reach here. See how beautiful this is looking. When you reach the end here, when you finish this single crochet and bead around the ring, you have to crochet around this treble crochet. You have to make single crochet. One single crochet, two single crochet, three single crochet around this treble crochet, 3, 4, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet, 7 single crochet, 8 single crochet, 9 single crochet, 10 single crochet, 11. After making single crochet around the treble crochet, you have to go to this chain 3 space where you have connected your treble crochet. Just go here and make one more single crochet, or you can just make slip stitch to stabilize this, like this. You can see you have made one ring flower with ring. Now we will make it without ring. So where you have ended, start pulling your thread and make one Solomon knot like this. Again repeat the same thing, one treble crochet, 1, 2, 3. You have to leave 3 chain 3 spaces. Go to the 4th chain 3 space and make one elongated treble crochet. Like for making same pattern without ring, just make chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work and go inside this and make one single crochet, turn again and slip the bead, slip one bead, basically you have to make same pattern around this ring. Slip the bead, don't make chain 1 if you are not using ring, just go inside this ring and directly make single crochet like this. Again repeat the same thing, slip one bead, and go into this chain 5 ring and make one single crochet like this. You have to do same thing around this chain 5 ring and reach here and repeat the same thing. Slip one bead, go into the chain 5 ring, make one single crochet like this and reach here and make 11 single crochet around this treble crochet. I have completed this motif without ring and I have ended here. Go to this chain 3 space. After making single crochet around treble crochet, just make one single crochet here, and now you can just start pulling and making Solomon knot and repeat the same process until you reach the desired length. Now I am going to explain how it would look with ring and without ring. See the difference. This one I made it with ring. It is looking more fluffy and big and more beautiful and precise. And here see the smaller one which I made it without ring. Both of them are really looking good, but this one is smaller and this one is bigger. If you are making without ring, I would suggest make smaller Solomon knot and smaller treble crochet, so it would be perfect. Thank you.